we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is a day where I share a little bit of motivation, encouragement to do those chores which we all do not want to do. That is repacking all the festival decor. The first step is always to collect everything in one place. Use baskets, bins, whatever you can, and group them in 2 or 3 sections. I first like to collect everything and then segregate it in different baskets. I also like to dry a couple of florals which I can. Baby's breath and beautiful roses were my top flowers for this year's Diwali decor. They have dried beautifully and I'm planning to reuse them in different ways. Next day you can clean up all the brass elements. Apart from puja, I have some brass candlesticks as well. And this is a very simple hack to remove the wax from the candlesticks. You can use a hairdryer or a heat gun. Just make sure that the heat gun heats up the brass really fast. So please be mindful of that. Alternatively, you can also soak this in hot water and scum out the wax. I personally prefer this way. Next, I collect all the 4 garlands and florals around the house and wash them with the mild detergent. By evening, they should be ready to be packed. I am using these courier packets that I have collected from various Amazon parcels and reusing them with help of some sellotape. You can easily create a vacuum kind of a seal with these garlands as they are not shape dependent. They will fluff up once you take them out of the packet. This year I added these beautiful torans, but I'm not going to do a tight seal on these because they have a structured shape which I do not want to distort. So simply roll the toran without pressing it too hard and keep it in a plastic bag. Do not tight seal it. And I'll be mindful that I keep it or I place it on top of rest of all the garlands. So there is less pressure on these torans. You can also store these garlands in paper bags which comes via courier. Make sure they are not wet at all or any kind of moisture is there. Most of these paper bags have a plastic lining, which will be a preferable packet for packing these torans. Most of us will not be using this toran until next festive season. So it's always good to avoid any kind of carton box or cardboard boxes to pack your festival decor. Use old bags. Now I use IKEA bins, but earlier when I didn't have them, I was using my old suitcases and travel bags. This is one bag that I bought when we were shifting to Mumbai. Now I use to store these type of random things. I have also labeled it as flowers. Fairy lights look beautiful, but if not stored properly, they can give you a nightmare to untangle them. So make sure you roll the ends just as shown, and make sure you also remove the batteries from them and store them separately. Now let's pack all the knick-knack. Some lanterns. I'm segregating couple of things that I might be using throughout the years. Like these votives. I really love the amber color on these votives, and I like to use during any kind of special lunches or dinners. I'm going to pack all the diyas in this kind of a cardboard box. Again, it has a plastic lining inside. This is the plastic bin that I was talking about, and I'll be storing all my decor in these plastic containers. I'll be using loads of bubble wrap that I have collected from various parcels that I have received. Do not throw the packing material that you get from various courier services. They come really handy in packing the supplies in our own home, whether be it under the bed storage or the loft storage. By now I have washed almost all my cutleries that I have taken out, and I'll place them back. Honestly, I do not have any special cutlery. I use it throughout the year, and I keep swapping them once in a while. I have these brass cutleries, some black one, and some stainless steel and gold cutleries, and regular stainless steel cutleries as well. With that, the cleanup of the house is done. Now I just want to quickly refresh the living room and bringing it back to normal. I'll still continue with the pillow covers for some more time, and maybe in a week or two I'll change. If you like this video, then do consider subscribing to this channel and hitting that bell notification for future video updates. Now I'll just refresh the whole house, and you can enjoy that with the wonderful music.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.